In this video, I'll show you how to send review request emails using Loox so you can collect valuable customer feedback and build trust for your store. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the Loox app. Make sure your store is already connected to Loox because that connection is required for review emails to work properly. Inside Loox, go to Review Preferences, then open Emails and Scheduling. This is where you control when and how review request emails are sent. Here, choose the timing that works best for your business, such as sending requests after delivery or after fulfillment, depending on when customers are most likely to respond. If you want better deliverability and advanced email tracking, connect Klaviyo. From the Loox dashboard, go to Settings, then Integrations, find Klaviyo and paste your Klaviyo API key. Test the connection to confirm everything is working. Once connected, return to the Review Request Timing section and select Klaviyo as the sending method. Now it's time to customize the email. Open Loox's default review request template and lightly adjust it to match your brand. Add your logo, brand colors, and a clean banner so the email feels familiar and trustworthy. If you're offering incentives like discounts for photo or video reviews, clearly mention that in the email to boost response rates. As a final tip, adding the order number in the subject line can help customers instantly remember their purchase and increases the chance they'll leave a review. That's it. Your review request emails are now set up and ready to bring in authentic customer feedback that strengthens your brand and boosts conversions.